The Madrid condominium was built in 1975. This Mediterranean-styled condominium is one of only 2 buildings on the Morings Bay to offer under-the-building parking. The beach access from Madrid is very conveniently located just across the street. And just a short jaunt north, you'll find the world-class dining and shopping of the Venetian Village. The amenities include an outdoor grill area, a community room overlooking the bay, a bayfront pool, a fitness room, a key code secured entrance, and under-the-building parking. No pets are allowed at the Madrid, and 2 leases per year with a 90-day minimum are permitted. This bayfront condominium has 60 total units on 7 floors. The sizes range from 1,200 to over 1,900 square feet. The boat slips can be leased for $100 per month. The Madrid has a great deal to offer. When you're exploring our beach and bayfront real estate options, call me. I'll be able to help.